Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Yesterday we stopped here. Uh, she was no, yesterday we stopped here. Sorry, I never heard of anything so pure in my life. So now we have to start from here, okay? Very pure, answered Muriel with restraint in her voice. She was looking at Eva, who shrugged her shoulders significantly. So, what's Muriel's answer? Very cure. Very cure means it was very strange that you had the same questions in the examination that we had the same questions in the examination that Cleve told you will come in the examination that Cleve guessed for you people. Okay. Very cure, answered Muriel with restraint in her voice. Restraint in her voice means उसकी आवाज़ में जो था वो रुकावट थी, वो एक तरीके का वो jealousy, there was a kind of jealousy in her voice, there was a kind of restraint. Restraint means वो रुक रुक के बात कर रही थी, तो वो रुक रुक के बात करना उसका it was a sign of jealousy, that she was jealous that Mavis and Merle had done their paper very nice. They showed good performance in the examination. She was looking at Eva, who shrugged her shoulders significantly. So Muriel was looking at Eva, and who shrugged her shoulders significantly. Shrugged means moved the shoulders to show indifference. Means they all were jealous. She showed some indifference. Indifference means कि जैसे उसने उस बात पर कोई तवज्जो दी ही नहीं. Okay, so there was kind of jealousy in their friends, in the friends of Mavis and Merle. Okay. Some people have all the luck, remarked Sybil. So now Sybil is telling that some people are lucky, that they are बहुत lucky हो, that जो Cleve ने आपको questions बोले, exactly the same questions came in exam, exactly those questions came in the examination. Some people have all the luck, remarked Sybil. Means you people are very lucky that you did your paper very well. And what was the reason of this performing well in the examination? It was the reason was that Cleve made a guess for them that these questions will come in the examination. Well, it was pure guessing by Cleve. So why it was lucky? It was lucky because Cleve purely guessed that what are the questions that will come in the examination. Okay. How did he know what exams we were going to have? So now who is telling? Sybil. Sybil is telling that how was it possible for him to guess the exact questions that came in the examination? Oh, he's heard us talking about them, of course. So Muriel. No, sorry, it's Merle, okay? Now, Merle, what's Merle telling? Oh, he's heard us talking about them, of course. So, Merle is telling to her friends that perhaps he has heard us talking about those questions and now he guessed them, okay? He guessed them, maybe it's a coincidence or maybe it's something else. We will come to know at the end of this chapter that how was it possible for Cleve to guess the exact questions that came in examination. I wish I had a cousin who could guess the questions beforehand. So Sybil is telling her, I wish I had a cousin who would also guess questions for us so that we will perform well in the examination, so that we would not have to study more. We would have to study only those significant questions that our cousin would guess for us. I wish we had that cousin, but unfortunately Sybil didn't had a cousin who would guess questions for her. We would all get honors on those lines. Now Merle and Mavis is telling to their friends that we would all get honors on those lines. On those lines, maybe these are some lines that they had written on the in examination. So they are, maybe they are talking about some significant lines that they have written in examination, and now they are telling to their friends that we will all get honors on those lines. Honors here, honors is actually a degree, it's a high class degree, but here they are saying that we would be appreciated on those lines that we have, or we would be appreciated on those lines that we have written in the exam.